Welcome back to the channel, guys. Happy 2025. This is going to be our first video of 2025. We've got the S650 here in the driveway. We did a small aesthetic mod on the car that I think you guys are really going to like. And if you missed the most recent video on the S650, we got the Roush cold air intake see-through lid setup from Roush with their red high flow filters, and I think it looks absolutely awesome, along with the red supercharger and then of course the red car. Now the aesthetic mod we did on the car was on the exterior. This car is a base 10-speed GT, no blackout night pony package or anything like that. And personally, I'm a fan of the badges in black. So we went and got these badges for the side 5.0 and then the GT badge on the back in all black. They look awesome. Really like how they turned out. Super easy to install, just 3M tape once you get the old badges off. But tell me, guys, do you think these are OEM night pony packages or an aftermarket badge? Well, if you guessed aftermarket badge, you are correct. We actually got these off Amazon. I'm going to include a link directly to these where we got them from in the description below. Definitely goes with the rest of the car, and once we get our black trim back, it's gonna look perfect. And as far as an update on the car and the Roush kit itself, still love it, still drives awesome. We've got almost 8,000 miles on the car now, so roughly 3,500 with the supercharger on it. It definitely has yet to leave me disappointed. So if you've got a 2024 Mustang and you want to black out your badges, check out the video description below. And if you've considered supercharging your 2024 Mustang, in my personal opinion, the Roush kit is the one to go with. Anyways, guys, that's it. Stay tuned for 2025, guys. It's going to be a mega year.